Over the last several years, there's been a technology that's made quite a bit of buzz online called the QEG, quantum energy generator. And of course, it's very controversial when something explodes and becomes world famous pretty much overnight. But what I saw, being in this myself for a long time, obviously, subject to attacks and this and that, and looking around, I couldn't really find people who were attacking it and being super skeptical actually even looked into it enough to even know what it was about.
We have probably 100 people that have built these machines, and they're working with us. This is the kit. If you were to call Terelco, if you wanted to get involved in the project, this is what you get.
He spent 35 years working for the International Brotherhood of Electrical Workers. He built his first electric car in the 70s.
Not only me, but a number of other people put a lot of money into declinators. But I went a little farther. I got Hall effect switches, I got XY recorders, and I plotted the magnetic fields in the iron. And we found out that the magnetic field doesn't quite behave like everybody thought it did. Depending on the kind of iron you use, you can alter the behavior of it. And we was able to put it into resonance, and damn near killed me because it put out 30,000 volts at 3 amps coming out of that little generator. And it jumped about 8 inches, hit me on the arm, blowed this arm up like a ballpark frank, and I landed on the floor.
The two coils that Ron was talking about, we're calling these the primary and these the secondary. So basically, what you do is you set up a tank circuit. There's about 22 henries of inductance in there, so it's quite a large inductance.